Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade Nutella, and trust me, it's so easy and delicious. You only need a few simple ingredients that are probably already in your kitchen, and it'll taste just as good as the store-bought version, if not better. Stick around and follow me step by step to create this irresistible treat. Ingredients: 100 grams of raw cocoa powder, 1 large cup of fine sugar, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 large cup of liquid milk. Instructions: start by pouring the liquid milk into a blender. Add the sugar. Blend them together for a few seconds. Next, add the cocoa powder. Blend everything well until it's fully combined. Add half the oil and blend again. Finally, add the remaining oil and blend one last time for a smooth consistency. Conclusion: and there you have it. Your homemade Nutella is ready to go. You can store it in a glass jar or an airtight container and keep it in the fridge for whenever you want to enjoy it. It's super versatile, so you can spread it on bread, add it to cakes, or simply eat it by the spoonful. I'd love to know how it turns out for you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of all my new videos. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video with more delicious ideas. See you soon.
Ba ba da ba 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 da ba.